Good morning, my little gems. How are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine at home. I am Reena ma'am. And today in this session, I'm going to teach you general awareness. And in general awareness, in earlier sessions, you have learned my school and my classroom. And today in this session, we are going to learn my library. But before that, let's quickly revise my school and my classroom. My school. A school is a learning place where every day we learn something new. This is our school building. This is a school bus, bench, slide, swing, merry-go-round, playground, hopscotch, sandpit, ball, and a seesaw. Let's see some pictures of the things that we see in the classroom. Blackboard, duster, chalk, chair, cupboard, computer, chart, cabinet, teacher, blocks, paper, crayon, toy, mat, globe, and children. Kids, you may be thinking, what is a library? A school library is a library within a school where students and teachers have access to a variety of resources. बच्चों, लाइब्रेरी को हिंदी में हम पुस्तकालय भी कहते हैं। पुस्तकालय का अर्थ होता है पुस्तकों का घर। पुस्तकों को हम इंग्लिश में बुक्स कहते हैं और इन बुक्स को पढ़कर हम अपनी रीडिंग, लर्निंग और वोकैबुलरी को इम्प्रूव करते हैं। Kids, for the better understanding, let's see some pictures related to a library. This is our school library. He is a library teacher. A library teacher is also called a librarian. Library teacher helps us in learning and enhancing our studies. These are books. In a library, there are lots of books of stories, drawing, rhymes, puzzles, and many more interesting books. This is a bookshelf. In a library, there are many bookshelves in which different kinds of books are kept. These are chairs and a table. In a library, there are many chairs and tables kept for students to sit and enjoy reading and learning. These children are enjoying reading and learning their books in a library. This is a carpet. Kids, let's see a worksheet. Kids, in this worksheet, you have to look at the pictures and cross the ones you don't see in the library. Let's see first picture. Do you see a telephone in the library? No, so you have to cross this picture. Do you see crayons in the library? No, so you have to cross this picture. Do you see bookshelves in the library? Yes, so you don't have to cross this picture. Do you see books in the library? Yes, so you don't have to cross this picture. Do you see a ball in the library? No, so you have to cross this picture. Do you see a blackboard in the library? No, so you have to cross this picture. Do you see a seesaw in the library? No, so you have to cross this picture. Do you see a piano in the library? No, so you have to cross this picture. Kids, I hope with the help of this session, you have learned the concept of my library. Tomorrow, I will be back with my second session. Till then, kids, take care. Bye-bye.